Okay, good morning. This morning I would like to show you the way how to edit the video that produced by GoPro camera to give such as speedometer uh, uh, and every kind of data that belong to the GPS data. Okay, right now I would like to connect my micro SD from the GoPro camera to the computer. Then whenever we have already connected to the laptop, automatically the software, in this case is Quick Pro, automatically will open the SD card. Then here it is already open. Then we would like to import the video from the SD card memory. Okay, we just click the import file like this, click. Then we have to wait a minute until it is complete. Whenever it is already finished, it's mean that we have already import all of the video file from the SD card memory that belong to the GoPro camera to the PC. Then we can edit using such kind of software to produce overlay GPS data, including the speedometer, temperature, and every kind of data that belong to the GPS. But remember, whenever you record with your camera during your activity, you are supposed to turn on the GPS. You are supposed to be sure that the GPS already on at the time. Okay, we have to wait a minute. It is now still importing the file. Just a minute. Okay, it is now already complete. You can see here import complete. So we are supposed to close this software like this. Then we can open the all of the video file that we have already imported in this computer. In the we have already make a shortcut here, GoPro alias. Here it is, all of the data, all of the video that we have just record. Okay, here it is, the video. Okay, let me check the other one. Here also. Okay, here also. Okay, let me try to check it one among them. We would like to play. Okay, this now already finished. Then right now I would like to enhance the GPS signal from all of the video file that we have already import using this program, this software. It is GoPro GPS Quick Fix. Okay, here it is. Then we would like to enhance the GPS data signal from all of the video. We are supposed to open the folder location of the video file. Here it is in the desktop. Where is desktop? Okay, okay, here it is the desktop. Okay, then we have to find the folder GoPro alias. Here it is, the first one, this one first. We have to select all the video, then we open. Okay, it is now the process enhancing the GPS data from all of the video in order that we can we can make the GPS data appear overlay on the video after that using another kind of software. Okay, we have to wait a minute. It is now still processing to enhance the GPS data on all of the video. Okay, we have already finished. Then we choose folder another folder, try to find another folder. Where is the desktop once again, then we try to this one. Okay, this is the second folder. Okay, we have to select all like this. We have to click the shift button all together, then we open all of the file. It is processing again to enhance the GPS signal, GPS data from all of the video. Okay, whenever it is already finished, we have to close. We can open the video whenever when I mean that which we have already enhanced the GPS signal. Okay, we have to make it list like this. We have to close this software. Then we would like to move all of the video file like this to certain folder, and that it is make us easy to process like this. Okay, it is now already removed to the GoPro Hero. Okay, then we can delete the original file from GoPro alias, because we have already had another video file with the GPS data already enhanced by the software. Okay, now the next procedure, we have to empty the trash first. Then the next procedure, we open the software. In this case is the telemetry overlay, in order that we can produce GPS data speedometer overlay on the video. Okay, for example this one, we would like to give overlay data. Okay, like this. We use telemetry overlay. Okay, like this. We have to wait a minute. It is still processing. Actually, we can skip this step, but in this tutorial, I would like to show you completely. It is optimizing file, optimizing the GPS data file in the video, in order that we can make it appear in overlay on the video. Okay, we have to wait a minute until finish. Okay, it is now already finished. Then you can see it is the basic GPS data from the video file, GoPro video file, but we have to change the pattern. We use the pattern that we have already saved it, in order that it is little bit seem better. Okay, like this. Okay, then we can export the video, but we have to check it first whether it is play normally or not. We can click this play button like this. Okay, we have stopped. Then we export the video to certain folder. Okay, then it is the last step. After that, we can make all of the video appearing the speedometer, altitude, the path, the map, and so on, and also the time and so on. Okay, thank you very much watching the tutorial, in order that you can have benefit from watching this tutorial. But I'm so sorry I use English, because I want to practice my English. There is no another reason. Thank you very much.